Service Credit Union Signature Everyday Elite Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it. Most people get credit cards wrong by assuming all are created equal, but the Service Credit Union Signature Everyday Elite Card offers a combination of rewards, low fees, and strong protections. The surprising truth is that it's built for everyday use, offering benefits that make routine spending more rewarding. You earn cash back on all purchases, with bonus rewards in select categories like groceries, gas, and dining. There's no annual fee, and purchases are reported to all 3 major credit bureaus. The card also offers purchase protection, extended warranty, and fraud monitoring. Additionally, the card integrates with Service Credit Union's mobile app, providing alerts, budgeting tools, and easy account management. For members, it's a practical way to maximize everyday spending while keeping finances organized. The downside? Rewards are moderate, and it may not compete with premium cashback or travel cards in terms of earning potential. Verdict: worth it for members seeking a no-fee, reliable everyday rewards card. Leave it if you want high-reward travel or premium perks.